Struggling in part 3 of IELTS Listening, let me tell you a deep secret that will make sure you never suffer in this part again. Now, have a look at this slide. These are the 6 real reasons why most students lose marks in part 3. Part 3 usually includes 2 or even 3 speakers, and that's where things get tricky. Most students focus on just one voice, waiting for keywords, and that's exactly how they miss the real answer. Some questions test how speakers agree or disagree, and the clue often hides in how they respond to each other, not in what they say first. If they agree, you will hear words like, yeah, exactly, that's right. If they disagree, it will sound like, not really, I don't think so, I'm not sure about that. So don't rush to take the first thing that sounds right. Wait until both speakers finish and compare their opinions. That's the real secret. IELTS listening part 3 isn't about hearing words, it's about understanding interaction. If you want more lessons that actually teach you how IELTS works, join my full IELTS course or premium one-on-one sessions. Visit www.thelanguagelabpk.com now.